Domestic animals. Dog. Dog means kutta. Cat. Cat means billi. Goat. Goat means bakri. Sheep. Sheep means bhed. Cow. Cow means गाय. Horse. Horse means घोड़ा. Camel. Camel means ऊंट. Rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. Hen. Hen means मुर्गी. Buffalo. Buffalo means भैंस. Ox. Ox means बैल. Duck. Duck means बत्तख. Pig. Pig means सुअर. Fish. Fish means मछली. Rat. Rat means चूहा. Mule. Mule means खच्चर. Cock. Cock means मुर्गा. Donkey. Donkey means गधा. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.